How are we today then, Jen?
Wet. Well, it's not a very nice day today, pouring with rain, but for us it's a really nice day because this is Sweden. Hurrah!
Sweden.
No fucking way! Cheers! Sante Skål! Congratulations for reaching Sweden.
Sweden. We nearly went to Iceland after meeting the guy last night, but met someone from Iceland. But we're here in Sweden.
We're here in Sweden and we brought Lawrence's birthday present, which we will be in Gothenburg for his birthday, won't we?
Yes.
Two more sails to Gothenburg.
We did pack it, didn't we?
Oh no. Cheers anyway.